20 Minutes Setswana presents Hello Abuti, hello Osi.
Dumela Osi.
Dumela Abuti.
Say hello to the children.
Dumela Ngana.
What are we learning today?
Ya sepetleleng.
Oh, we're learning how to say I go somewhere in Sesotho. Osi, how do we say I go to the hospital? Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. The ke ya means I go. And did you notice that sepetlele becomes sepetleleng because we're saying I go to the hospital? Let's look at some more examples. Abuti, how do we say I go to the store?
Ke ya lebenkeleng.
And how do we say I go to school? That's easy. And how do we say I go to church?
Ke ya kerekeng.
Now, how do we say I go to the house? So, sepetlele changes to sepetleleng. And lebenkele changes to lebenkeleng. Sekolo changes to sekolong. And kereke changes to kerekeng. And ntlo changes to ntlong. You see how easy it is? And now you can say I go somewhere in Sesotho.
Handle.
See you next time.